Namamsi. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam YouTube channel. This is the 9th video in the Varnamala series. In this series, I teach how to pronounce Samskritam sounds properly, and I also teach how to read and write the Devanagari script, along with a lot of fascinating and in-depth information about the Samskritam sounds. So please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of these very informative videos. Before going into the topic, I would like to make a small announcement. I am starting the next batch of my online Sanskrit classes, which I take separately for kids and adults. I am starting those classes from June. So if you are interested, please send an email to tattvam.sanskrit@gmail.com. In this video, I address a very common doubt that is there in minds of most people. What is the difference in the pronunciation of this nga and this nya? If you have watched the previous video about the Ucharana sthanas, then most probably you yourself would have got clarity, but I will just give more clarity on this. If you have not yet watched that, then please do watch that video so that you will get a lot of clarity. This nga is part of the Kanthyaha group, and it is also an Anunasika, that is, it is a nasal sound. So this sound has to come from the Kanthya region, which is the region of the small tongue, plus it should come from the nose also. So it is pronounced like this. Nga, nga. This nya is part of the Talavya group, and it is also an Anunasika. So this sound has to come from the Talu region. Talu is nothing but the hard palate region, plus from the nose. So this is pronounced as nya. In Sanskritam words, these two alphabets will come in such a way that they are joined with other consonants which belong to their own family. For example, if you take this word Ankani, nga is joined with ka, which is a member of its own family. Both of them belong to the Kavarga. Another example is Ganga. Nga is joined with ga, which also both of them belong to the Kavarga only. Kavarga is ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. And also if you take this word Shankhaha, again nga is joined with kha, which belongs to its own family. If you take this nya, same happens with it also. If you take the word Chanchalaha, cha and nya, they both belong to the Chavarga. Panjaram, nya and ja belong to the same group. This is how it appears in Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, the words are always based on the ease of pronunciation. It's not that the nasal sound of one group will be joined with another consonant. That doesn't happen because it's not possible to pronounce that way. So since words are like this, naturally you will be pronouncing it correctly. You will be pronouncing the nga and nya correctly. But when we pronounce it individually, then you need to have this understanding of the Ucharana sthanas. For example, when you are reciting the Maheshwara Sutras, then we have to tell them separately. Nyama ngana nam, that sutra comes in the Maheshwara Sutras. So when we are reciting that individually, if we have the knowledge of the Ucharana sthanas, then our pronunciation will be correct. Another point to be noted is, these days many words like Ganga, Ankani are written like this, but this is not the correct way of writing, because if we write like this, then they will be pronounced as Amkani, Gamga, but that is not how it is pronounced. It is Ankani, so it has to be written like this, Ankani. Ganga, it's not Gamga, it's Ganga. I hope this video was of use to you. If it was, then please let me know by commenting below, and also by liking and sharing and subscribing to Tattvam YouTube channel, and click the bell icon so that you get notified when I add new videos. धन्यवादः. अग्रिम वीडियो मध्ये पुनर्मिलामि. नमस्ते.